Okay. So in the last class, what we have discussed, we have discussed about instance variables and the local variables. The variables which are under the main method are the variables which are under the method. Those considered will be the local variables. The variables which are at the class level, those outside the methods, those are called instance variables. To access the instance variables, we need to create an object. How we can create? Class name, variable name equals new class name. This is the object creation. How to create the class name, and after that, how we have created the class name, we have given the variable name object and the new operator, and this one is instance variable, it is the class name. We have created an object. So now we have to call the object. How we can call? We have created an object dot I. This is the one. With this one, we can print, we can access the variable. This one we can print the value too. So this one you understood now? Yesterday class?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now today's concept we are going to start, that is called methods. That is called methods. What are methods? Methods. Methods are used to perform some operation. Methods are used to perform some operation. Methods are used to perform some operation or action. Operation or action. So what is this? Means some action is going on. Means what? Something is, whenever something happens, then only we can say something happened, action, there is an action, right? If something is happened, then only we can say there was some action happened. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So here methods means used to perform some operations or action. And one more thing, in a class, in a class, and we will write everything, we will write under a class. In a class, we can write any number of methods. Any number of methods you can write on one a class, in one class. Any number of class you can write in one class. Next one is, every method contains two parts. Two parts. One is method declaration. Second one is method body. Method body. Okay. Now what is method declaration? We will talk about. What is method body also? I will tell you. And after that, every syntax we will learn. And everything will be fine. Now, let me write the syntax of the method. Syntax. What is the syntax? Syntax is, guys, carefully observe. I am writing say a return type. Return type. Method name and parameters. Parameter like param1. This param means here parameters. Param1, param2, param3. Any or any number of you can write here. Anything you can write. Number of here you can write. After that, you have to open the bracket. You have to close it. In between this, you will be writing some logic. how to execute some method, you will write under this logic. Then what here it will write? After that, you will return the value here. This is the one. This is the syntax, guys. This syntax is very important. Okay. What is this return type? What is this return value? I will tell you. Okay. Now you have to see here. This is the syntax. Now let me write an example. Guys, here return type means whatever the data types we have, those all comes under the return types. Did you get it? Whatever the data types we have, we will use in the place of return type, we will use all the data types. Let me write that. Return type is data type. Return type is data type that indicates what type of value is returned. What type of value is returned? I can write like this. How? By particular method. Guys, did you understand this one? This statement? Whatever the return type here we are using, that return type is nothing but a data type that indicates what type of value it is returned by particular method. When you write an example, you will understand more and clear it will be. Okay. And I am writing one more condition, one more statement related to the return type. That is, suppose if, this is very important point, if method doesn't have return any value, the method doesn't return any value, then the return value will be void. Then the return value will be void. Will be specified using a word called void. Word, not keyword. Keyword called void. Okay. Don't confuse. I will tell you. If I tell you one example, you will understand that. If when there is no void, when there is a void, there is no return value. If there is a void, if there is no void, I am telling you, specifying return type is mandatory. When no keyword, when there is no keyword called void. Next one. Next one, guys. This is about none. And one more thing, specifying, not specifying. Yeah, return type can be any, like primitive type. Primitive types we know, int, character, boolean, float, double, anything, or array. Yet we have not discussed that. Or reference type, like string, collections, anything. Array type or reference type. Okay, sir. Now till now it is clear, guys. now I will tell you with examples. Then you can understand clearly. Now, first what is this one? Guys, tell me what we have starting.
Syntax.
We have the return type. First we have the return type. Let me keep aside this. First thing is the return type. Okay, what if the return type, what might be the return type should have? Return type is a data type, and return type may be primitive or array or any reference type. So int is a data type. Now, next, what is the next one? Method name.
Method name.
We can give method name whatever you want. So, but whenever the any method name you are giving, that should be matched to your project related or your concept related. Suppose I want to add two numbers. Whenever I want to add two numbers, I will give the method name as add. If you want to give addition of two numbers, also fine. But I want to give in a simple add. Otherwise, you want to give addition also, it is fine. Anything you can give the method name. Next one. Next one is here what they are saying, parameters. Now, there should be two brackets and there should be some these curved brackets. Okay. Now, anything we have missed, guys? Tell me in this.
Logic.
Huh?
Logic, sir. Parameter.
Parameters.
Logic, and one more thing you see. If method doesn't have any return any value, then the return value should be specified using a keyword called void. Specifying return type is mandatory when there is no keyword called. Here we have any keyword called void.
No.
Then what should we have? We should have the return value or return or not. Return keyword or not.
Yes.
Yes, right? Now, what should we return? The thing is, what should we return? Got it? Now, let me keep this one. Let me keep some time like this only. Now, what I will do is, under this return type method name, they are going some parameters. Param1, param2, param3.
Yes, sir.
Those parameters is nothing but the declaration of the variable. Normally, what we are doing in our project, what we are doing, int I is equal to 2, we are providing. We are declaring and initializing these variables.
Yes.
Yes, right?
Sir.
Now,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
now, in the same way, here you have to give int a, declare a variable. Okay. Int b. We have how many variables? Two variables.
Two parameters.
Okay, means now we have two parameters. Now, after that, what I'm doing, I want add two numbers. Which numbers? Int a and int b. Okay, means to add two numbers, I need to store those two numbers in another variable.
Yes, sir.
Suppose let me take int c equals to a plus b. This way, earlier also we have written this statement adding two numbers. We have taken int a, int b. We have taken earlier also we have taken two variables, right? We had two variables and again we have added. Now what we have done? The same thing. We are giving the variables under the method parameters. These are called method parameters. Now we are giving those variables under the method parameters. Did you get now? Earlier we have provided for the normally we provide declaration of the variable. Now we are declaring these variables where we are declaring under the method parameters as coming to the methods. Now, what is the result?
Return C, A plus B.
A plus B. We should, where we are storing it?
In C.
In C. Means what we are returning?
We have to return C value.
C value.
C value.
This C is integer.
Yes,
Yes,
integer.
sir.
Now here what is the return type?
Int.
Means whatever we are returning, it is int value.
Yes, sir.
Then everything is fine or not?
Fine.
Yes, sir.
Everything is fine.
Yes, sir. Fine.
Okay. Now the next one. Guys, did you understand this one? This example, small example.
Sir, here we also use a system.out.println C that also return the C value of the C only.
I will tell you because we have number of things to discuss. Okay. We have more things. Just we are in the initial stage, right? We have
Okay.
number of things we will discuss. No issues. Okay. Now,
Okay.
and here these parameters are considered as inputs to the methods. Normally, variables we are giving, right? Variables int a equals to 20, int b equals to 30. In the same way, here we are providing these types. Guys, this till here you understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Sir, explain it again, sir.
Okay. Let me explain it again. 1 minute. Now, see here. Did you understand the syntax? Syntax is the return type. Return first. What is the return type? Return type is data type. What are the data types? Int, float, double. These are all are what data types? Hello, Sindhu. Please respond.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So here it is int. Int is a data type.
Yes, sir.
So that is the return type. What is next one is method name. I have given the method name as add.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now
Okay.
what we had done, we had to give the parameters. Parameters are nothing but like a variables which are inputs to the method. We are providing int
Okay.
a, int b as a parameters.
Okay.
Now what we are doing, now we are adding, we are writing the logic. This is the logic. What the logic we need to add two numbers. To add two numbers, we are writing the logic. Those logic is int c equals to a plus b. C equals to a plus b I have written. These whatever the result I am getting, I am storing on the C. Why I am storing in the C? Because I need to return some value. See guys, if you don't want to write like this one, you can write like this also. If you don't want to write like this, what you can do, rather than storing something, you can write like this also. Got it? This is also a one thing. You can write like this also. You are directly returning a plus b. That a plus b should be int. Okay. Now to make understand, we are keeping them in. We are storing in one variable a plus b. Now after adding, this is our logic. Addition of two numbers. These two numbers after adding, we are storing in the C. So what is the result? Result will stored in the C. Whatever the result we are storing in the C, that value we are returning it. Because finally what we will return? The output, right?
Yes, sir.
This output we will return.
Mm.
That output should be integer. Because our return type is integer. Suppose, let me tell you give one example. Now you understood this example, right, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Now, suppose let me give one more example. Suppose you are given float add. Okay, float add. You are giving the numbers int A, int B. Okay, it will take as, if you give like this, it will take as, it will add 0.0 at the end. Okay, let me take one more thing. Suppose float A, float B. Let me take like this. Float A, float B. Suppose, guys, observe here. Suppose if you have added these two numbers, A plus B, and you have stored these values in one of the things, C, and it should be float. Suppose if you want the result as a int, it will provide the int, but while returning the value, you will keep C here. Now you are returning C, but what here C value? Which type it is?
Int, sir.
Int
Which type?
value, sir.
It is int value. But what
Yes,
we need actually, what is the return type?
Float.
Float. Means that is a mismatch or not?
Mismatch.
Then whatever the returning, it should also be a float value. Now we got it. What is that? What?
Yes,
How much important is the return value?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is the way. Next one. Another example. Next one is, now my return type is void. Let me write, my return type is void now. Even for void also, the method name should be there. There will be no parameters. We can write, if you want, you can write the parameters. Okay. Maximum we will not use. With void you can write parameters, and no need, if you don't want also you can write it. But let me write the same example if about to make you understand clear. Suppose you want to give parameters int A, int B, the same way. Int A, int B. Now you are giving this brackets. Now here also you will write the logic. Int C equals to A plus B. Till here you understood, guys, whatever I wrote? Rather than my return type, there you go, it is gone. Huh? Okay, my return type is, now my return type is not primitive data type or any reference data type. My return type is void now.
Void.
If method doesn't have return any value, then the return value specified using a keyword called void. Okay. Now you did understand. Now now we have any return type here. 1 minute, guys. Okay. So here, now we don't have any return type. Sir, you always saying return type, return type. I will tell you what is the return type. Here we are adding two numbers, we are returning it. Here we are returning the result, but here we cannot return the result. So for that, what we will do, for these void types, what we will do, we will write a statement called system dot out dot println. We will write a statement called system dot out dot println. Under this, we will print C. Yes, did you understand what is the difference between without return type and with return type?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand right now? Hello Jagdish, did you understand now? Here we will not,
Yes.
here we are returning it. Here because we are using the void keyword, we don't want to return. So that is the, and most of the real-time industry, no one will use this void. Maximum people will go with this one only. Because now we are in the basic, and if you go na, there they will use collections. They will use the collections, reference type, everything. They will use it. Till here, now it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Let me write the syntax for the void also, guys. Void means void only. Now you understand why no return value? No, because we are not returning anything to the method. We are just printing whatever there is in the method, we are printing. We are not returning anything. Now you are clear with this till here?
Yes, sir.
You are clear with this? We will go to the next
Yes,
thing.
sir.
Okay. Now let's go to the next topic. This is the syntax, guys, for this one. Okay. The next thing is we have few things. In Java, we can create any number of methods which are in any of the forms. Like, let me tell you guys. Now, if you understand the above one, this will be very easy. In Java, we can write any number of methods. Bro, methods. Let me write those types in different combinations. Okay. Now, what is the method? What those are? Number one, method without return type. Method without return type. Can we create a method without return type? Tell me. Guys, tell me, answer this. Can we create a method without return type?
Yes, sir.
Here, do we have any return type here?
No.
No, sir.
No. So, method without return type, and even we can create without parameters also. Here we have a parameters. Without parameters also we can create. I will tell you how. Second one, method without return type and without, sorry, with, no, this time with parameters. Yes, saying someone else or something. Guys, this example you see, we don't have any return type. No return type means void. We have with parameters means whether we have any parameters here. This is one type of method. The next one is method with return type with parameters. Fourth one, method with return type without parameters. Guys, did you understand the statements? First tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Understand.
Now let me give one easy example as fast as possible. First one is method without return type. Okay. First one is method without return type. So without parameters. Let me take the same example, guys. Guys, here now tell me, in this we have any return type?
No,
No. Why? Because we have void. Void means
we already used void.
whenever we use void means there is no return type. Return type is a data type. If you find any data type at the place of void, then we can say it is there is a return type. If there is no data type, any data type we have, then we can say which is void, means without return type. That is fine. Now tell me, we have a parameters here, or we have any
Yes.
parameters here?
Yes, sir, we have.
Yes. Now what I will do, let me remove these parameters. Now tell me, now we have any parameters?
No.
Now we don't have any parameters. For this one, what we have to do is, we cannot pass any parameter, so you have to give the values manually. Int A and int B. Now tell me, guys, now are you clear with this or not?
Yes,
Without
sir.
without return type, without return type, without parameters, are you clear?
Yes, sir.
No confusion now, everyone?
Yes, sir. Sir,
Okay,
here
guys.
we can initialize
Tell.
values to the
Yes, we
variables.
can initialize. Yes, we have to initialize anyway. Here we have to initialize. Without
One
initialize,
doubt, sir.
yeah,
What we call now int A, int B as
int A, int B is called a declaration.
declaration.
And I will tell you, Jagdish, you whatever a question you asked, right? If you
Yes, sir.
want to give the value, initialize the values, you can initialize here.
Yeah.
If you don't want to initialize here also, that is fine. We can initialize when after creating an object.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
There what we have to do, there again, if we initialize here also it is fine. Again, there you have to initialize there by using the add method, add dot a. Yesterday we have created add dot a, right? We have called, how we called the variable add dot I, object dot I we have called.
Yes, sir.
In the same way, we have to call add dot a equals to 20, add dot b equals to 30. There you can initialize. If you want to initialize here also it is fine. Nothing, everything is fine. Okay.
Okay. Sir, directly in parameter also int a is equal to b, int a is equal to 20 and comma int b is equal to 30. We can also directly initialize in the parameters also.
No, I will tell you that. Wait. We again, we have that type, that story we have. Okay. Related parameters, I will tell you. Okay.
Okay.
Now, the second one. This is the second one. Sorry, guys. Shit. Second one. What it is? Method without return type and with the parameters, right? Without return type means, can I use this?
Yes, sir, you can.
Now tell me, this statement as it is right or wrong?
True, sir. Right. Sir.
Right?
Yes.
Okay. Now, one minute, guys. Okay. Now, the next one is third one. The same way we will have the fourth. Now, let me take the example of this. Guys, this example is fine for this one. Method with return type. We have the return type float.
Yes, sir.
We are returning. We have the parameters. This is fine. This example.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now, coming to this method with return type without parameters. Method with parameter without return types. For this one, what should we have to do? We need parameters for this. You should not need parameters. Okay. This is clear now. But what we have to do, we have to initialize the variables here. Let me give in this way like this. You can write side also. It is not like you no need. You can write here also. Okay. Sorry guys. Int a equals to 10 semicolon. Int b equals to 20. Let me give float here, guys. Float. This is concept, guys, related to methods. Are you able to understand clearly whatever the step I have mentioned?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone, check this.
Yes, sir.
Is clear right for you now?
Yeah. It's clear.
Okay. Now For each scenario, let us write one example, guys. Let us do some exercise. Okay. First one is method without return type, without parameters. Now let me create one package, new package now. Now we are go to file, create new. Here we have any project, Java. Here we have type Java project. Next. Here it is the project name. Whatever the concept we are learning, methods, right?
Yes, sir.
Methods concept, let us write. See, it is saying we should use the small letter. Okay, let me register. Now, okay, we are using the S21 anyway. Here, user project not to create separate folders. Click on next, whether we have anything. No, we will have the source folder. Okay, click on finish. Click on no. Okay, we get the project here, methods concept. Here we have the JRE also. Okay, that is fine. We got everything. Here we have the source file. This is one thing we will have. This one we not needed. Right click on this and delete it. Delete, not needed. Now whatever with the files, everything, any file is opened here. Right click on this here and close all. We want to close all. Okay, this is closed. Now right click on the source file. Click on this. Create a class. What is the class name we want to give? Now we are giving the method with a parameter. Okay. No, without parameter. We can give in the shortcut. Okay, let me give like method without parameter. Okay, and let me give like this without parameters and method without return type. Guys, did you understand now this one in simple? If you want to give the full name also, that is fine, guys. No issues. Class name. Let me give the class name like this: method without return type, without parameters, without return type. Now I want this one. Now I got the main method. Okay, that is fine. Now, guys, now first what I will do is I will do the method declaration here. Method declaration. Now, and definition. Definition means new word. Don't think it is a new word. It is like initialization. Now we will create one method. Now tell me, guys, what we are creating? Method without parameters, without return type means what is the first one? Void, right?
Yes, sir.
Method is add without parameters. I don't want to pass any parameters. This is fine or not? Now tell me till here.
Fine, sir.
It is fine, sir.
Okay. Now let me take two numbers. Int a equals to 10. Int b equals to 20. Int c equals to a plus b. Guys, this is the one, right? We are learning.
Yes, sir.
Now, whether we are returning anything here, it is void. Whether we are returning anything,
No.
when we are not returning anything, what we have to do? We have to use system.out.println. Where the result is printed in C.
In
So,
C.
okay, guys, till now here, fine. Now, what's the next? Now, this method, now tell me, this method is there inside the main method or outside the main method?
Outside then.
Outside the main method. If I want to access anything outside the method, what can I access? Normally, variable we cannot access. That is instance variable. Now tell me, can I access this method directly here? Guys, we cannot access it. Why? Because even this method is called as instance method. What this method is called? Instance method. Why? This is not under the main method. This is outside the
class.
method itself. Whenever we are creating any method, that methods are called instance methods only. Here we don't have any concept like local methods or anything. Here we have only two types, that is instance methods, and another one we have static methods. Are you able to understand whatever I'm saying?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Now, this method, whatever we are returning, this is instance method. To access instance method or to access instance variables, we have to, what we have to do? Guys, anyone? To access instance variables or
We
instance
have to
methods,
create
what
an
we
object.
Yes, we have to create an object. How we can create an object, guys?
Class name and object name and new class name.
Yes, yesterday we have discussed where it is. Instance variables. Whether I had mentioned this point or not. To
Yes,
access
sir.
a variable where we have to create an object, we have to create an object under the main method. Okay. Now, what is our class name? This one, right? Class name. You can give any name. Let me give A equals to new. Again, give the class name. Again, you have to pass the brackets. Sorry. Guys, whatever the brackets we are giving, why it is useful in the next step we will do. Now we have created the, now tell me, now have we created the object or not?
Yes, sir.
Now whenever we have created the object, we have to access the method. How we can access? With the help
By
of this
calling.
variable or not?
Like what?
You can dot a dot, you want to access anything, object, this is the object value a dot. Whenever we are doing anything, you can see we have add method, it is showing here. Whenever
Yes,
we
sir.
dot, I click on a dot, we got some suggestions. In that suggestions, can I see add method?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Which means by in this way we can access the method.
Mhm.
Did it clear, guys? Still here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now what we are doing, we are calling this method. We are accessing this method means after creating an object, we are calling this method. Now whenever, okay, now JVM comes here, JVM comes. Now whenever you start executing the project, the JVM will not, first compiler will check any syntax error or not. Okay, no syntax errors. Now JVM will come. Now there will be a bytecode. Now JVM will come. Whenever JVM will come, JVM will not check these things. Directly JVM will come here, main method. Then JVM will come here. JVM will see, hey, okay, I think someone has created the object. Okay, let it be. After that, they will see with the help of object, they are trying to call the method. Okay, 1 minute, guys. Sorry, guys. Okay, Now JVM will come with this main method. JVM will come here. They will tell, okay, some method has been created. Sorry, object has been created. Then it will go here. JVM will think, okay, with the object they are calling the some method. Then this cursor will go here. Why? Because we are calling the add method. The cursor will go here, add method. Then it will go inside the loop. After this, inside this method, it will go, it will check, okay, there is some variables. They have given some integer, okay, that it will add it. After that, okay, they are printing it. Then this JVM will print this value. Did you understand the flow, guys? How JVM will print?
Yes, sir.
We got the
sir.
value 30.
Yes, sir.
If you want, you can just modify it like this. Instead of two numbers, you can write like this also. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is the one, guys. How we need to execute the program. Okay.
Okay, sir.
This is one example of one of the project. Let me go with the another example. Let me create another one. What is the next one? Method without return type with the parameters, right? Now let me create one more class method without return type
With parameter.
with parameters method without return type.
Return type.
I want the main file. Okay, guys. Now here method without parameters without return type means the same thing. Same thing I can take method. Now whatever the variables, guys, see here, whatever the variables here, I will not initialize here, guys. Here what I will do, int a comma int b. Now we have parameters, we don't have any return type. Guys, this one you understood, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Everyone? Jagdish,
Yes, sir.
Sai Kiran?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now again I have to, what I have to do? Again I have to create an object. Because why? It is an instance method or not?
Yes, sir.
So I have to create an object. To create an object, what I have to take? I have to take the class name. Class name, you have to take, you want to take a equals, that is fine, new. Okay. Here at a value, you can take anything. It is not like you want to take anything. If you want to give anything as well, if you want to give addition also, it is fine. Okay. If you want to give anything, it is fine. Now, okay, now you have this one. Now, guys, now how to access a dot add? A dot add. Now it is showing whenever you click on, let me go again back. A dot, whenever I got a dot, it is showing add with the parameters, it is showing, or without parameters, it is showing
With the
With
parameter.
parameter.
with parameters.
Yes, sir.
Now here we have to pass the values. Guys, did you understand the difference with parameters and without parameters?
Yes, sir.
Now JVM will check. It will come to main method. Okay, these people created object. Okay, there what the object, it is okay. Add method with parameters. It will go here. It will come here. Okay, add, it is fine. They are giving integers 20, 30. Okay, it will check whether integer is fine or not. Okay, those two are integers. Then it will go inside. It will add the two numbers. Then it will print it. It is printed 50.
Sir.
Now you are clear with this one, this method. Now the next class. The next one is now return type, method with return type with parameters. Method with parameters, method with return types. Now I want main method. Okay. Now let's see this one. Now again, what we have to do? Let me create int. Okay. Now what we have to write next one? Tell me. Guys, tell me what we have to write. That integer
You have to
return type, right?
initialize.
Next you have to write method name. Int add. This one is with parameters. Okay, let's see. Now we have to give parameters int a comma int b. What it is showing error? This
Don't
method must
use
return a result of type.
brackets.
No, you can see here. What it is telling? This method must return a result of type int.
Return a plus b.
Okay. Now it will tell something int. It will result something. Let us see, like C. As of now, keep it like this one. Now let us see. It will return anyway. Now this is with parameters, right? So int C equals to a plus b. We will write only the logic here. Now tell me, it is fine or not?
Yes.
Anyone? Everyone?
Sir.
Tell me this one, you understood or not this step?
Yes, sir.
Sai Kiran, you?
Understand, sir.
Okay. Now the next step is to create a object. Guys, this step I will write for only few programs. After that, I will not write it. Whenever I'm creating and saying our creation of object means that is class name. We are at an initial stage, that is the return. I am writing this one again and again. Okay. Now this one, class name. Give the class name. Give any variable equals to new class name. Now, how to carry a dot. Whenever I click on this, was showing add int a b. Return type is int. See here, int here, colon int means return type is int. Let me do here. Give 25 and some whatever the value you like it. Give semicolon. It is expecting semicolon. Save it. Run it. What happened? Guys, what happened? Tell me. We got any output here? Anything is printed here?
No.
No.
See guys, here we are returning the result, but we are not printing anyway.
Yes,
Did you
sir.
understood?
Yes, sir.
So for that one, what you have to do, you can do two things. You can do two things. Sys out whatever I have here, a dot add. I can keep here and I can print it. Now, did you see the output?
Yes, sir.
Suppose if you don't want like this, let us think if you don't want like this, what you have to do is whatever the value you are getting, you can keep in some variable. I have kept in the variable sum. Now what I can do? I will print sum. Guys, now tell me, did you people understood or not this one? How to print it?
Yes, sir.
We can print in two ways. See, clear now? This one, method with parameters with return type. We are just returning the value, but we are not printing it. Okay?
Okay, sir.
The next one, next class. What is the next we have? Method with return, method without parameters, method with return type.
Return type.
You want the main method. Now, let me take the same example, copy this one, copy here, let me paste here. Now tell me, method without parameters, we should write any parameters here?
We should not.
We should not. Okay? Now, 1 minute again. Okay, sorry guys. So int add. Now, what is the next, guys? Tell me. Now, what we have to do here? We have to mention the values in int a, int b. We have to declare this. Are we declaring it? Equals to 10. Equals to 20. Okay. Now we are returning C, and here we need to create an object for this one. Class name A equals to new operator. Nested one A dot. It is showing add of int. What you have to do here? You have to print system dot sys out. Guys, are you able to understand this one?
Yes, sir.
Means here this one is common, creating objective, but the main thing depends on the logic, whatever you have written here. If you want, you can do minus. If you want to do division, anything you can do here. Now you got this one.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is about the methods, guys. And Jagdish, whatever you have asked, the question is we have to initialize the variable, right? We have to initialize the variable because it is not accepting.
Yes, sir.
I think before Java 8 might it accepted, now it is not accepting 21. Okay, we have to pass the variable, initialize the variables before itself. Now, this is about the concept methods, guys. Are you able to understand the whole method concept now? Different types.
Yes, sir.
Whole flow, everything. Guys, I'm really telling, for testing people, no one will explain like this for Java methods related. They will just mention this, they will explain you this one, and they will give just this example. That's it. In this 4 way, they will not prescribe any this type of, they will just mention this is the class, this is the method how to create. That's it. Okay.
Sir.
Even for the Java people also, they will teach in this way only. Okay, now you got the concept clear, because you have to understand what is methods, what is class, what are variables. Then we can hoops concept will complete in simple. Guys, next topic is string and constructors, guys. Next topic, string, constructor, array. 3 topics we have. String, array, and constructors are the next topics, guys. Okay, tomorrow I will try to complete these 2. After that, we'll complete string. Tomorrow we'll start constructors, after that arrays, after that string. After that, we'll go to the OOPS 4 concept. It will complete quickly. Okay. Any doubts, guys? Today's class?
No, sir. Everything is clear.
Jagdish, Sai Kiran,
No, sir.
you are able to understand, right? Java terminologies all?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, guys. Okay, then. Thanks, guys. Have a good day. Bye. If anything,
Can I-
in the chat.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you so
Thank
much.
you, sir.